The next topic, knowing our numbers, class 6th, estimation and rounding off. First of all, we will discuss that what do you understand by the word estimation and rounding off. So, I am giving one example. Let us suppose one cricket stadium is there and there is a one-day match between India and Pakistan, and you know when the cricket match is played between the India and Pakistan, there will be lot of a crowd, or we can say the visitors are in thousands and thousands. So sometimes if you ask that what is the approximation of the visitors in the stadium, then we round off the numbers. So here in class 6, we will round off nearest to 10, then we will round off nearest to 100, then we will round off nearest to 1000, and then we will round off nearest to 10,000. So, to round off any given number to nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, nearest 10,000, what is the working rule of the rounding off? So, the general working rule is that whenever we have to round off any given number nearest to 10, nearest to 100, nearest to 1000 or nearest to 10,000, first of all, if the digit is 5 or greater means the number is greater than 5, then we will round off. So, if the digit is 5 or greater, then we will round up. And if the digit is less than 5, we will round down. But to round off nearest to 10, nearest to 100, nearest to 1000 and nearest to 10,000, which digit will be observed? So, the most important thing, to round off nearest to 10, any given number, if we have to round off nearest to 10, then we will observe the digit at one's place in the given number. That is, for example, if we have to round off one digit 573 to the nearest 10, then how we will round off? Again, see the rule. To round off nearest to 10, observe the digit at once. So, let us suppose if we have to round off 573 to the nearest, then which digit we will observe? Ones digit. So, what is the ones digit? Ones digit is 3, and 3 is less than 5. So, if the digit is 5 or greater, round up, and if the digit is less than 5, round down. So, here the ones digit is 3 and 3 is less than 5. So, we will round down. Now, so in round down, what we will do? This digit 3 at the place of ones will be replaced by 0, and in the case of replacing by 0 and round down, the tens digit will be left as unchanged. So, this tens digit 7 will be LEAVE, leave, unchanged. So, 573 round off nearest to 10 is 570. Okay, so in this way, any given number is round off nearest to 10. If we have to round off nearest to 100, then we will observe the digit at tens. To round off nearest to 1000, observe the digit at 100, and to round off nearest to the 10,000, observe the digit at the 1000. So we will take one example for this one. So first, one more example we will take to round off nearest to 10. For example, if we have to round off the number 668 nearest to 10, then how we will round off this number to nearest 10. So take one more example. If we have to change our question is that round of question number second, round of the number 668 nearest to 10. Then how we will round off to the nearest 10? So let us see the number 668. So to round off nearest to 10, first we will observe the digit at ones. So here the digit at ones is 8 and 8 is greater than 5. So we will round up. So this ones place digit will be replaced by 0 and we have to round up. So the tens digit will be increased by 1. So 668 round of nearest to 10 is 670. So this is your answer. Similarly, one more example. Please note down the general working rule for the round off in your notebook. So the question number third, one more example for round off to the nearest 10. Let the number is given 807. What you have to do? You have to round off this number nearest to 10. So again, to round off nearest to 10, first we will observe the digit at ones, and here digit at ones is 7 and 7 is greater than 5. So we will round up. How we will round up? That the ones place digit will be replaced by 0 and the tens place digit will be increased by 1. So 807 round of nearest to 10 is ones place digit will be 0, tens place digit will be increased by 1. So 0 plus 1, that is 1. So it is 810. This is your answer. So in this way, any given number can be round off nearest to 10. Now we will take some examples to round off nearest to 100. So let round off the number 5748 nearest to 100. To round off nearest to 100, we will observe the digit at tens place. So here tens place digit is 4 and 4 is less than 5. So if any digit is less than 5, then it will be round down. So what we will do? We will do round down. Round down. So the digit at ones and tens place digit will be replaced by 0. What you have to do? You have to round off this given number nearest to 100. So we are observing the digit at tens place, and tens place digit is 4 and 4 is less than 5. So this is indicating you that you have to round down. So ones and tens place digit will be replaced by 0, because to round off nearest to 100, last two digit will be 0. And then this 100 place digit will be leave unchanged. Leave unchanged implies that your answer will be 5700. So 5748 nearest to 100 in round off, it will be 5700. One more example. Round off the number. Round off the number. 2095 nearest to 100. So to round off 2095 nearest to 100, first we will observe the digit at tens place. Here tens place digit is 9, which is greater than 5. So we will round up. We will round up. Now we have to round off nearest to 100. So these two digits, that is ones and tens place digit, will be replaced by 0, and the digit at 100 place will be increased by 1. So 2095 round off nearest to 100 will be 2100. So this is the example to round off the given number nearest to 100. Now two more example we will take for to round off nearest to 1000 and then nearest to 10,000. Then you can do the exercise easily. So now what we have to do? We are taking one more example to round off nearest to 1000. So please, one number is given 3725. What you have to do? We have to round off nearest to 1000. If any number is given, we have to round off nearest to 1000, then which digit we will observe? We will observe the digit at 100 place. So here ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So digit at the 100 place is 7, which is greater than 5. So we will round up. We will round up. So we will round up means the digit at ones, tens and 100. These three digits will be replaced by 0, and the digit at 1000 place will be, in the case of round up, increased by 1. So we will increase 1. So the number 3725 round off nearest to 1000 is 4000, because ones, tens and 100 place will be replaced by 0 and the digit at 1000 will be increased by 1. So 0, 0, 0 and 3 plus 1, that is 4. So the required number will be 4000. Similarly, one more example we are taking to round off a given number nearest to 1000. So let us take one more example. Convert the digit 25,806 nearest to 1000. So to round off nearest to 1000, which digit we will observe? Digit at the 100 place. So here 100 place digit is 8. Ones, tens and 100. 100 place digit is your 8. And 8 is greater than 5. So what we will do? We will round up. We will round up. And to round up nearest to 1000, the digit at ones, tens and 100, these three digits will be replaced by 0, and here the digit at 100 place is 8 and 8 is greater than 5. So the digit at 1000 place will be increase by 1. So ones will be 0, tens will be 0, 100 will be 0, and 1000 place digit is 5, and we have to increase 1. So 5 plus 1, it will be 6, and 2 as it is. So 25,806 nearest to 1000 will be 26,000. So in this way we can round off the given number nearest to 10, nearest to 100 and nearest to 1000. Hope you liked this video. So everyone is requested, please like it, share it and subscribe it so that you can get the next video in continuation. Thank you a lot.